It is a real training video.
Ready? Be careful. Make sure I don't get.
You're doing it with one hand. That's not fair. Really?
Really? Where am I gonna go? Ooh, good one. Gotcha. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to do it again. Alright? First, as you know, do you guys know that the pen is the same as the fundamental grip as the sword? Allow me to demonstrate. There's different types of fighting, drawing type of thing. You can either draw like this. You can either go like this. Or you can either fight like this. But enough of that. Let's get down to business. First, this is the first attack that they usually teach you. Ready? Bola, chicken, pig, chicken.
Okay, I'm gonna
Fruit,
put that.
cake, fruit, cake.
You look like you're slicing a fruit cake.
Here's the next one.
Please do not make any weird sounds in my video.
Here's the next one. Ready?
Wow, this took a lot.
Here's the next one. Ready?
I'm sure if these are actually wooden, they would have broke already.
That's how you fight.
Yeah, but without the weird noises.
But without the weird noises. Thank you for viewing. If you want to know more techniques, all you have to do is say more techniques on the button. Thank you.